What's good, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Weekly Outlook. Now, finally, we broke out of the NFP range and we saw some bullishness on gold. Now, where do we see gold in the coming week? Let's quickly find that out. Now, as usual, we always begin our analysis with DXY, and the recent analysis was pretty bad, I would say. We did not break the high, we simply melted all the way down to 104 odd levels, and we are back at the weekly fair value gap. So now whether or not we hold this is a question of time and how we react on this specific level, right? So my bias is that small reactions can definitely be expected from here on. However, expecting a new high will be slightly difficult to say, right? So my bias is very simple. Once Monday, Tuesday, we start to react into this, we'll understand whether or not DXY is ready to hold this or not, or maybe it will go back into this, sweeping this specific low right here. So overall, I think we might see a mixed week, bearish to bullish, or sort of a doji candle on a weekly time frame. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm looking at on Euro USD. Now let's quickly go and find out what we are looking at. So right here we have a strong supply, but we have managed to close very bullish. So I expect this to be breached easily. After this, I think my eyes would be right here into this supply. So EU is most likely heading towards this or these equal highs right here, depending on the price action, of course. So I will be looking for longs maybe after a pullback into this fair value gap, something like this, to target this high at least. So this is pretty much my bias overall, bearish to bullish on EU. Even on 4-hour, I think we have a similar structure. Yeah, we have imbalance right here. So this makes a lot of sense for price to react after grabbing these equal highs to get some sell side liquidity and continue higher, right? So that's pretty much my bias on EU. Let's take a look at GU now. On GU, we look very strong. We have 1 point of liquidity left, which we have failed to grab around market close. It is also followed by imbalance right here, buy side imbalance. So you can expect some correction starting Monday or Tuesday, but overall I think we should be good to continue higher. That's pretty much my bias. And let's quickly look if we have any zone as such. Yeah, right here I think maybe we can tap into this and react from this specific imbalance again, only to continue higher. So this is pretty much what I'm looking at. Most likely you should get good chart opportunities on Monday or Tuesday. So let's take a quick look at gold. Needless to say, it has been very interesting week on gold. We managed to close below this, which is a good sign from a bearish point of view. Let's see on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, we have formed an insider bar. We have this huge bar, and we basically traded in a smaller range comparatively on Friday, right? So my bias is that Monday or Tuesday ideally should be very interesting to see. You might see good momentum. And as far as my bias is concerned, this is a very interesting zone for at least for a shakeout. I would prefer to see some shakeout like this, only maybe to continue to all-time highs or continue lower, who knows. But my bias right here will remain bullish as long as this low right here is protected. Present structure looks something like this. We have broken higher, so this would be higher low and higher high. So for bearish price action, I would honestly like if gold could give me another high, something like this. So this will become my new higher high, and once I break below this is when I will turn bearish, right? So we are looking for a break in the trend, and the trend is clearly very bullish. Even if we come as low as 2350, I will still remain bullish. And yeah, this will be great buying opportunity somewhere around here. Into this box would be a great buying opportunity. So yeah, I'll be actively looking for longs only If we turn bearish, then of course, needless to say, you are part of my Telegram and Twitter. I will keep you guys posted. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.